So, hi everyone. In this question, let's read this question first. In the diagram shown above, n1, n2 and n3 are the refractive index of medium 1, 2 and 3. Then which one of the following option is true in this case? So let us check option. First we will check the option. First option is n1 is equal to n2. That is totally wrong. You can check. When light is going from n1 to n2, then there is bending takes place. So first option is wrong. It can't be possible. Okay, because light is going to bend. It means there is change in the refractive index. Now next they are saying option B, n1 is greater than n2. How it is possible? See, if n1 is more than n2, then what? This is denser, this is rarer. Light should bend away from normal, but here you can check. Rather than going straight, it is bending towards normal like this. Deflection is like this. Okay, so it means n2 is more than n1. It is also wrong. Now next they are saying C option, n2 is greater than n3. It is totally wrong. N3 they are saying n3 is less than n2 means this is rarer, this is denser. They are saying that is wrong. If it is so, this light never bent towards normal. You can check it is going straight. Its original path is this. But when it is going from n2 to n3, it is going to bend towards normal. Towards normal. Why it is going to bend? Because n3 is more than n2. So option C is also wrong. So right option is D. Clear? So always check the diagram carefully before solving the question. So right option is D. Next, one viewer is asking like, what is the meaning of like bending? So I just want to clear that concept. Just look at this. Okay, I think some technical glitch. Sorry for that. Just look at this. Well, light is going from this medium to next medium. Let us suppose this medium is having the refractive index n1. This medium is having the refractive index n2. Okay. This is angle of incidence I. So rather than going straight, let us suppose n2 is more than n1. Okay. So rather than going straight, this is going to bend towards normal. Now what is the meaning of bending? Bending means the amount of deviation from its original path. This is the original path. It is going like this. Okay. It is going. If I show again, this is original path. Okay. It should go straight. This is original path. Okay. OP I am writing original path. Then this is known as deviation from original path. This is known as bending. Either you say angle of deviation, how much it is going to deviate. Okay. Deviation or bending. Okay. Deviation or bending. My meaning is that. So more the bending, more it is bending like in this direction, it means this angle is very, very less. Okay. R is very, very less when bending is more. Okay. This angle you can say delta. If delta is high or del is very, very high, then R is very, very less. R is what angle of refraction made by the refracted ray with normal. This is normal and this is refracted ray. Okay. Refracted and this is incident. I hope this is clear. Okay. So thank you so much. Any doubt still, please comment. I will check. Thanks a lot.